Is it going? Alright. So, eBay. This is JB Salt 2003. I got a Sigma DR-7. It is from the early 70s. It's in nice physical shape, except for it needs to have the nut replaced. And it's got one tuner that's non-original. The bridge has been scalloped here in front of the saddle to accommodate lower strings. And here's how it sounds. One of the high E string, excuse me, is not seated correctly in the nut, so it's vibrating. It's not resonating. So anyway, the rest of it sounds nice. Anyway.
Don't get in the camera.
Come in here real close and get right by the sound hole. Come in real close there. Yeah. See fingers. Hey, come down here, back down by the sound hole. I want them to be able to hear.